Did you know that children from separated families actually develop hearts that beat differently in each home? Scientists discovered something amazing when they studied kids living between two houses. Their heart rate variability changes completely depending on which parent they're with. At mom's house, their hearts might beat faster with excitement during game nights and movie marathons. At dad's house, the same heart learns to slow down during quiet morning breakfasts and bedtime stories. Researchers thought this might be stress, but they were wrong. It's actually adaptation. The heart learning to feel at home in multiple places. Each environment teaches the heart new rhythms of love and comfort. What looks like inconsistency is really the heart's incredible ability to expand its capacity for belonging. The heart doesn't get confused or divided. Instead, it develops the remarkable skill to love in stereo. Children from separated families don't have broken hearts. They have hearts that learn to beat with twice the love.